Namaskar students, welcome back to the second part of our leftover topic where to look from. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you have not watched the first part, then I will provide you the link in the description box. So children, what is the pattern? Pattern is nothing but a repeated design. Okay, generally it is used in bed sheets, saris, dresses, rangolis, etc. Okay, you might have seen the the pattern in the bed sheet. Here I am giving the example of a bed sheet. Here you see, here this is a design, here this one is plain. Again this is the design. In this way, in the bed sheet it is given. You might have seen in a dress or a sari or in your pillow cover. Here I am showing another example of a pillow cover. Here you see a pillow cover is there. Here this is the design. Here it is left. Again this is the design. Here is the design and here it is left. In this way also pattern is covered. Okay. So in your house you might have seen your mama maybe decorate your house with the rangolis. Here it is given rangolis. Okay. In this rangoli you see there is a person. Her name is Meenakshi. She belongs to generally from Kerala, and there they used to put the rangolis in front of their house to decorate. Okay. Generally we also put rangolis in our houses when it is required. That may be in pujas. Generally it is in Margasira Puja, Margasira Guruvar, or some Telugu people, they are used to put their rangolis regularly in front of their house. Okay, here two patterns are given. You also make your design. Here I am going to make a design. You look at to it. You can also do by your own. Here I have just make it like this. Again I just make line. Again, so these are the square box and I put it like this to make this design. Okay. Here I have, here there are some dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are 4 lines and 4 column. I used to put like this. Okay, this is a design which I made. That is up to you, how will you make. Okay, now let us turn the page. It is given in the book. See, some patterns are given here. Some are it is made with a line and some it is not line. In this way also I made here. Look at to me. I just use this dot to make a rangoli. In this way I made here. You can use not the exact one here it is given. You will draw by your own. Okay children. Now in the next page it is given. Use the dot grid given below to draw your own design and shape. That is up to you. How will you make this one? Okay, you can take your parents' help. Here I am doing a flower. You can follow me, or else you can do by your own. That is up to you. Here I am doing. Okay. I made this flower. You can take the help of your parents or your elderly person to use the dots and to make a beautiful rangoli. Here in the third number it is given complete these figures to make the squares and rectangles. Children, here we have to notice that square means, as I have already been told you, square means all the 4 sides should be equal, and rectangle means opposite side are equal. So here is a picture. It is given drawn 1, 2, 3, 4 using 4 dots. Here on the column side it is used 4 dots, and here 1, 2, 3, 4 it is also used 4 dots. So you have to take, what you have to do, you have to take all the 4 dots 1, 2, 3, 4 and make a line. Right. Again these 4 dots you have to join. So this became a square. Here is the example. It is drawn with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots are used to make a line. So you also make a line using these 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Till that I have to make a line, straight line. Then I have to join these two lines. Okay, so this is the picture become a rectangle. Always remember children, when you draw a rectangle, opposite sides are equal, and when you draw a square, all the four sides should be equal. Okay, the other part you have to draw by your own. Sorry for interruption students. Here it is given on the dot grid given below. Draw the following one: a kite, a boat, a leaf, a star, a flower, a pot. I am going to draw the kite. Rest you will draw by your own. Okay. Here I am taking 1, 2, 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 dots to make a line. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 lines to make another line. Sorry, I took 4 dots to make a line. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. I use these 4 dots. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then I make it join. These 4 dots I make a joint. Okay. Then I took this one and this one and this. Okay. What is this children? I can join these dots. Okay. This is a kite. Right. Here I use these dots to make a thread. In this way you have to draw the boat, the leaf, the star, the flower and pot. I think this design, how do you use these dots as per design, I think you are all understood. Let's move to the third part, mirror halves. The mirror half, it is nothing but a reflection or dividing object. Under this topic, let's move to a story, tit for tat. Okay. Here is a girl, her name is Amina. She went to the painter to draw her picture. But the painter did a half and asked her the full money. Here Amina is very clever. She didn't pay the whole money. She just looked at, she asked to the painter that why did you make a half? Then the painter told that if you put a mirror and make it join, then it will be full. Then she laughed and said, okay. The painter asked her to get the 200 rupees. Amina gave her 100 rupees and said, if you put a mirror beside to that 100 rupees note, then it will be 200, isn't it? So this is the clever part of Amina, that she thought that if someone is drawing half part, then she would get, that person would get the half amount. Okay. For better explanation, here some pictures are given to you. You can see some of the picture which is half drawn. If you put a mirror here, this is the half drawn butterfly. If you put mirror here I want to show this one. It will drawn by you. If you put a mirror here, you will get the full butterfly. Here the full star. Here it is a diya. And you can see the fish as well as to the face of a cat. Okay. What is mirror half, you know children? It is nothing but a reflection. Okay. Generally, it is divided into two parts, that is symmetric one and asymmetric one. When an object cut are equal. So here I am giving the example of, here you see this is a letter. What the letter is? Yes children, this is A. If I took out like this is a A, and when I draw a line or I fold it down like this, then it is exactly two parts, isn't it? This is called as symmetry. Okay. Now, if I show another example, suppose there is a, here I want to draw the letter P. Okay, children, P. Okay. Now, if I make it fold, then this part is not equal to this part, isn't it? So, this is your asymmetric. That means when object cut are not equal, that is called as asymmetric. Example of P. If I make it fold this P, if I make it fold like this, here I want to fold it in my note. Here I am making it folding. You see, this part is not exactly equal to this part. So this is your asymmetric. Okay. For betterment, you can go through some of the examples here. Here you can see this. If we make it exactly half, these equal, this will be symmetric or it will be exactly half. This part also be exactly half. But if you make it fold like this is the smaller part and this is the bigger part, and these both are not equal. If we see here also, in this way you can also go and have to check by your own, and more examples you can give. Okay. Now let's move to the next page. Here the question is given to you. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into similar halves? Here it is a comb. If I just draw this line like this, then it will be exactly half. Okay. Example I am giving. Another example, if I draw here the line of a button, then it will be exactly half. Like this, you have to draw all the lines to make it exactly half. This is the task for you. Okay. Now I am showing some of the examples here. Can you guess this letter, children? Yes, this is nothing but H. If I unfold like this, you can see this is the letter H, and if I make it half, then it will look like this. Here is another example. You can see which letter it is. It is, yes children, it is U. If I unfold like this, it will become like this. Okay. Now this letter, can you guess it? Right, this is X. Now here some of the examples are given to you. You have to try by your own, but let us discuss with you all. This will be A, this will be H, this will be U, and the rest you have to do by your own. Here some of the examples is given to you, some letters. So here the word is given. Guess the word by looking at their halves. I think this is H. This is H, this is O, this is W. That is HOW, half. The rest it is given to you. You will do by your own. Here it is given two more examples. Please try to do by your own. Let's move another interesting activity. It is given you to draw making a mask. In this picture it is given, fold a paper in the middle, then you have to one side draw the figure of anything you want to draw, then cut it out using a pair of scissors. Now open the fold and make the eyes and nose. Here in the book it is given to draw a cat. So in this book he has drawn a cat, and to make it very lively, he cut the eyes and nose, then color it and tie a rubber band on its back. So the mask is ready. Now there is an interesting activity for you. I have bring a paper, make it a fold. Now I draw something here. I am now going to cut it. See children, what is this? Okay, I make it cut. Yeah. Here. You can see. Yes, I have already pulled this out, the rest part. What is this children? Right, this is an apple. Okay, in this way you will try by your own to make a mask. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.